Welcome to today's episode of Tech Talk Tidbits. I'm thrilled to dive into an innovative tool that's making waves in the world of Docker management. Today we're spotlighting dockge, an engaging and user-friendly self-hosted Docker Compose manager. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting your journey in containerization, dockge promises to enhance your experience. So let's unpack what makes this tool both unique and essential. First off, have you ever found yourself frustrated with Docker management interfaces? I mean, we've all been there, right? Sometimes deploying a stack feels like waiting for paint to dry. Well, dockge is designed to change that. It's reactive and updates in real time, which is a game changer. Imagine you're deploying an application, and instead of watching a loading icon spin indefinitely, you see actual progress. Pretty refreshing, right? Now, what really catches my interest is dockge's interactive editor for compose.yaml files. Have you ever braved the intricacies of crafting these files? It can feel a bit like deciphering a secret code. With dockge, however, you're equipped with a user-friendly interface that transforms this process into an accessible task. You can create, edit, and manage your Docker applications without feeling overwhelmed by the command line. Speaking of user-friendly, dockge supports multiple agents and can manage stacks from different Docker hosts, all from a single interface. This is incredibly handy for those who juggle various projects across distinct environments. It's like having your cake and eating it too. Managing all those stacks efficiently can save so much time, and as we all know, time is money. But let's talk about how easy it is to install. If you're on a supported Linux distro, it's a straightforward process. Just a few commands, and voila, you can have dockge running on your machine. How neat is that? And if you're curious about something specific, they've even got an interactive compose YAML generator available online. No more guesswork. Now you might be wondering, what's the motivation behind dockge? Well, the creator originally turned to Portainer, but found that it fell short in particular areas, especially when stacks wouldn't deploy seamlessly, or the error messages didn't quite clarify what went wrong. That frustration sparked the creation of dockge, which I think is such an inspiring story of innovation driven by user experience challenges. And while dockge is aimed at Docker Compose users, many are curious if it's a full-on substitute for Portainer. To put it simply, dockge focuses on providing a better UI experience, specifically for Docker Compose management, whereas Portainer covers a broader range of Docker functionalities. So if Docker Compose is your primary tool, you might find dockge an ideal companion. Before we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on some key points. Dockge offers a sophisticated yet easy-to-use interface to manage your Docker Compose stacks. Its real-time updates and multiple agent support make it a powerful tool for both beginners and experienced users alike. Plus, it's built with user feedback. What's not to love about that? So if you've been searching for a way to streamline your Docker management experience, give dockge a try. Before signing off, I want to leave you with a question to ponder. How do you think tools like dockge can evolve in the future to better serve developers? Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Tidbits. Until next time, keep exploring, keep tinkering, and we'll see you in the next episode.